Hey everyone, this is your introduction video. I'm going to introduce myself, and then after that I just want you to either make a little video about yourself or write in a little bit. Now some of you guys I probably already know, some of you I don't. Maybe I've already had you in class, or maybe I had you when I was a high school teacher. I used to teach at the high school in Belcourt for 31 years. Wow, long time. And now I've been at the college. I'm starting my 5th year. Okay, I got my bachelor's from NDSU and I got my master's from Minot State. So I'm going to be your instructor. I'm doing one introduction for my 4 classes, so I might be your Chem 121, your Chem 115, or your Biology 150 instructor. I'm not really sure. Anyway, what I want you to do again, like I said, I'm going to tell you a little bit about me, and then I want you to tell me a little bit about you. All right. So again, this is my 5th year. I taught adjunct here for many years, since like probably 2000, but this is my 5th year full time here. I teach mainly introduction classes, and I like to do the online. I'm doing quite a bit more of the online instruction, but if you're in my class and you want to meet, you need extra help or whatever, please just get a hold of me. We can set up a meeting like this and we'll talk, or I'll be at the college 2 days a week. Okay, so even if you're taking an online class and you need some help and you want to come in, I'll be there Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, Tuesdays I will be there from, well, both days I'll probably be there from like 9 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon. I have class 12 to 1 and 1:30 to 2:30. So come in the morning or come after 2:30 and I can help you as well. Or the other thing you can do is, if you're on an online class, I have one online class, Chem 121. It's either online, and I also have a hybrid. If you want to come and get some help, even if you're in the online class, you can come at 1:30 on Tuesdays, and then I can help you then. All right. Anyway, back to me. So my name is Renee Allen. This is my 5th year instructing at the college. My main focus is chemistry, but I also teach some biology. I taught at the high school for many years. I taught all kinds of things there. As far as me, I have 3 kids, 3 girls. I have 3 grandkids, which are the love of my life. If you want to have a long conversation with me, you want to talk to my grandkids, we'll talk. And I have 2 dogs, which you will probably hear when you do when you're doing your lectures, because I have all the lectures online. You will probably hear them squeaking in the background. At first, I tried to restart the videos every time they do that, but they did it on purpose after a while, so I just ignore them. So if you hear them barking or squeaking toys or whatever, that's because they're obnoxious and that's what they like to do. Anyway, their names are Ruger and Diana, and they are 2 Dobermans, and they are my roommates. I also love my favorite hobby is fishing. I love to ice fish. I love to spearfish. I love to fish in the summer. So I like to fish. I also like sports, and that's about all I know. So anyway, that's a little bit about me. Please tell me a little bit about you, and type it in. And again, you can make a video like this, or you can type it in. And if you have any questions, just let me know.